Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to track your phone without any app. Apple said that you need another iPhone in order to track your iPhone. But in this video I will show you how to do it without another iPhone. So let's get started by going to the settings, then tap on your iCloud ID. Scroll down and tap on family sharing. Tap on continue now. Here you can join up to 5 family members that you trust. So tap on invite others, then invite in person. Now here you need to type your family email and password, or you can ask them to put it here so you can track it in their iPhone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.